A sequence is defined by a0 equals 2, and then for n greater than or equal to 1, an is 1 more than the product of all previous terms. So a1 is equal to 3, and a2 is equal to 7, for example. 1 more than the product of all terms. Okay, it follows that for all n greater than or equal to 1, an is equal to, okay, so one of these expressions or none of them. Okay, so the general rule here is that an is equal to the product. K goes from 0 to n minus 1 of ak plus 1. So my intuition here is that of all the expressions written here, none of them grow fast enough to possibly be correct. Like it should grow. It looks like it should grow exponentially almost. I could be wrong. Typically, I like to work out the answer without relying on the multiple choice options themselves. So if I had to do that, what would I do here? I mean, if I work out, so a1 is equal to a0 plus 1, a2 is equal to a0, a1 plus 1, which is equal to a0 times a0 plus 1, which is a0 squared plus a0 plus 1. A3 is a0, a1, a2 plus 1, which is actually maybe one of these, of course, okay, yes, of course, the way they've written it, you can't easily read the rate of growth of any of these expressions because they're written recursively. Option D is certainly incorrect because it's growing quadratically. I think the answer is going to be option B, in fact. So let's write it like this. an is equal to the product of all previous values. So a minus 1 times a minus to a n minus 2 dot 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 down to a0 plus 1. But I note that I have the product of a whole bunch of previous values in here. So that can be written in terms of an minus 1. Right? If I multiply a0 up to an minus 2, if I add 1 to this, I get a1. So in fact, that's equal to an minus 1. Minus 1 plus 1, and this is option B. Yeah, the rate of growth of this thing is going to be much higher. It's going to be higher than a polynomial. And so in my mind, I was looking at these and seeing some quadratic expressions. But of course, it's not quadratic with respect to n. It's quadratic with respect to an minus 1, which could lead to growth much faster than a polynomial. Yeah, so that'll be my answer. But if I have any mistakes, I'll let you know. Thanks for watching.